As mentioned in several prior videos, the epoxy coating process is lengthy. It's one coat per day, with the next coat needing to wait till the next day if it's not too cold. There's a whole bunch of rosewood that is baking. I've got some out in the sun. And now a bit more fun with getting some fittings sorted. Oh, I love it when a plan comes together. Hey Bruce, how you going there? You nearly done? What did he say? I didn't hear it. There's a whole bunch of rosewood that is baking. I've got some out in the sun. I've got these pieces and bearers to get a second coat of epoxy on today. And these ones are just getting a bit of a baking. And with this winter weather, it's way too cold in the shed. So I put the epoxy outside just to heat it up and get it a bit more usable. And now a bit more fun with getting some fittings sorted. I've got a few things to do here in order to make sure that I don't block myself in with getting all this plumbing sorted up in this corner of each panel over the water tanks. So what I need to do is I need to drill 2 holes, one for the main filler hose, which will go up to the side decks, and the other is for the suction hose to be able to come out of the tops. So the main water hose will come out of the ply here, and on the starboard side, it'll actually pass down alongside the hull, underneath the sole in the bilges, and then it will pop up and into a shelf there where the pump will be mounted. With the port tank, it's a little less to travel. I love it when a plan comes together. Have a look at this. Well, this is one of those enjoyable moments where I've got a heap of parts that are all prepared, ready to go in, and so once they're installed, it's going to look like a significant jump forward. This bag is full of parts, all dry fitted, coated and ready for installation, including the main parts for the single berth frame. I've got panels that are ready to go in. I've got plumbing fittings that are ready to be installed. I've got the Eva foam to be used as seals for those inspection lids on the water tanks. And as you saw, I've got the water hose coming up out of the tanks, ready to be plumbed through into the galley shelf where the pump's going to be. I am just waiting on the last batch of rosewood bearers for these tanks and for some other things. And I've actually just got some help today helping with that. I'm not sure if he's finished yet, but we can sing out to find out. Hey Bruce, how you going there? You nearly done? What did he say? I didn't hear it. He should be done by now, but at the least that will be done today. And then more good gear for installation. And there's just one more thing I need to do for these tops. Where it comes to the filler hose going through the panel onto these fittings for the tanks, the hole that I've cut out on the tops is not quite enough to pass the tube down through the tops to be able to pass over these fittings, which I only just discovered today, having gone to the marine store to look at the hose, and it's much thicker walled than I thought it would be. So I'll need to just give those holes a trim with the router to expand those holes a little. Then they can be coated with epoxy, and I can just carry on fitting those bearers while that's drying. In the next episode, everybody, it's installation time. And now for something completely different. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell and share. I'd really appreciate that.